Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Now in this video, I will show and tell you how you can unlock your Facebook profile. Write me if my solution helped you, if it worked for you. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments. I will read and answer. Let's get started. Subscribe to the channel. Like it. Go to Facebook. Then in the bottom right corner, click Menu. In the top right corner, click Settings and Privacy. Here we scroll down and find this setting called Profile Listing. Then here we see that our profile is locked. That is, there is, and in order to unlock it, we have to unlock it. And then we need to unlock your profile again. Wait 5 seconds. And as you can see, our Facebook profile is unlocked. That's how easy it is. Let me know if my solution worked for you, if it worked for you. And if you have any questions, please post in the comments and I'll read and answer. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.